You will wish you knew this warm cup earlier. When you mix raw egg yolk with dark coffee, you create a powerful fuel. You will survive 10 working hours with zero fatigue and notice a massive difference in your daily physical endurance. I tried it, and now I never go back to plain coffee.